When your Ford F-150 displays a tire pressure monitor fault message, it indicates a malfunction within your vehicle's tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS. This warning appears on your dashboard when the system detects a problem with monitoring your tire pressures, which is different from simply having low tire pressure. Your F-150 uses a direct TPMS system with individual sensors mounted inside each wheel, including the spare tire on some models. The system consists of pressure sensors in each wheel, a receiver module, the body control module, and your dashboard display system. Sensors measure tire pressure and temperature every 60 seconds, transmitting data to the receiver module. The system triggers a warning when pressure drops 25% below the recommended level. For example, if your recommended pressure is 32 psi, the warning activates at 24 psi or lower. The most common causes of TPMS faults in 2025 F-150 models include sensor battery depletion, which accounts for 35% of cases, with sensors typically lasting 7 to 10 years. Physical sensor damage during tire service represents 22% of faults, while faulty wheel speed sensors affecting the system account for 28% of issues. Software glitches requiring recalibration make up the remaining 15%, often occurring after battery disconnection or tire rotation. The F-150 Lightning electric truck has unique TPMS calibration requirements due to its increased weight from the battery pack and different weight distribution, requiring specialized pressure recommendations and enhanced software calibration. Understanding these fundamentals helps you recognize when your F-150's TPMS system needs attention, whether it's a simple recalibration or component replacement. Start your TPMS diagnosis with a thorough manual inspection. Check each tire's pressure using a reliable gauge and visually inspect all sensors for physical damage or corrosion. Next, connect an OBD2 scanner to retrieve TPMS-related diagnostic trouble codes. Common codes include B1342 for sensor communication faults and B1346 for sensor battery issues. Use a professional TPMS tool to activate each sensor individually. This verifies the sensor's ID transmission and checks battery voltage levels to determine if replacement is needed. If sensors are functioning, perform a system relearn. Turn ignition to on, press and hold the TPMS reset button until the light blinks 3 times. Then drive above 50 miles per hour for at least 20 minutes. For failed sensors, replacement requires professional service. The sensor must be torqued to exactly 35 foot-pounds, and the system requires a complete relearn after installation. F-150 Lightning owners experiencing persistent TPMS issues should ensure they have the latest software updates from Ford. The electric model requires specific calibration due to increased vehicle weight affecting pressure readings.